This is how much of hair that I lost. I know it's a lot, but look at how nice it is. Like, isn't this so nice? Blending it. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia and this is Patricia Helping. I'm here helping you embracing your natural hair, embracing your relationship with void, embracing who you are, because why wouldn't you? So in this video I'm gonna share with you guys the process of undoing my hair. I did this hair like I don't even remember when, but I need to confess something. Before I confess, I want to share the secrets to keep your natural hair always ready to go. Like, you wake up done and you're leaving the room, you're leaving the house with your hair done. Like, you sleep with your hair done, you wake up with your hair done, and it still looks natural. No shrinkage, no washing all the time, no dandruff. Like, you can wash it if you want. So I'm gonna share the techniques little by little, step by step, all the little tricks that I use to keep a specific hairstyle. Like, this is a jackpot. This is jackpot. Embracing your texture is the best thing you can do, because even when it looks messy, it still looks natural, and natural is beautiful. I said it. As I said earlier, I need to confess something. This right here, it's not my natural hair, but this right here is my natural hair. So, do you want to see exactly what is happening in my head? So, let's move on to the next section. Alright, so first of all, I know people will hate on this video because I'm using my natural hair and blending it with a texture that is very close to mine. But why would I use a different texture to put it in my hair? Every hair is beautiful and my hair is beautiful. So why wouldn't I use my own texture to use it on my hair? Why would I want a different texture on my hair? Isn't my hair beautiful enough? Isn't my hair perfect enough? Didn't God create me perfectly fine? So why would I go and buy a different texture and put it on my hair, the one I call it beautiful? So I did a crochet in the back. So as you see, I did cornrows in the back and maybe the crochet. So it's time to say goodbye to this hair. I'm gonna cut the extension with no hesitation because this is not my hair. Like, look, this is not my hair, so there's no bad, like, there's no hard feelings. Hopefully I don't cut my hair. This looks so natural, bro. Like, oh, the pink. Nobody believed me when I told them this is not my hair. They're like, huh? What? Even yesterday I was talking to someone, they were still thinking that this is my hair. And I was like, I'm not gonna correct you at this point because it's been a long time trying to correct people, but that was the goal. Like, but I wasn't trying to make you guys see in fact that this is not my hair. In fact, I wanted to blend it well, so it blended. It blended very well. So I'm gonna skip this part. I just finished cutting. I mean, I didn't have it very long, but I cut most of the hair. But I'm afraid of cutting my natural hair at this point because I can't see the cornrows and I can't see the extensions. So this is how much of hair that I lost. I know it's a lot, but look at how nice it is. Like, isn't this so nice? So I finished removing my hair, like the extensions. I finished taking down my hair, but at this point it was before washing my hair. I was just enjoying the length of my hair, seeing how much my hair is growing, and I have a little trouble. I'm having hard time passing this specific length because I feel like since 2022 my hair is in the same length, but maybe it's just because I don't necessarily measure it, but I can see a difference. People say that it's growing, but me personally, I don't see it. I see it a little bit but not as fast as I hoped it would grow. But that's not it. What I'm gonna share now is how I define my hair after I wash it. So I went in the shower, I put shampoo and I conditioner my hair. As I was deep conditioning my hair, I took this brush and I started combing it. The more I comb, the more hair I lose. So that was the only moment I combed my hair, in the shower. And as I was combing one section of the hair, I was braiding. So those braids that you see, I did it during the conditioning process in the shower. So after that, I put anti-Jackie don't shrink gel and I went about my day. And that's why my hair looks like that, because it shrinked. I don't know why they call it anti-Jackie don't shrink if the hair literally shrinks more compared to when you don't apply. So in this specific part of the video, I am separating the hair after I had defined my curls with anti-Jackie gel that says don't shrink, and I was just separating because I wanted to give it back. How can I say? I wanted to blow dry my hair. Not necessarily blow dry it, but I wanted to make the curls a little bit longer. I wanted to give the length of my curls back because the anti-Jackie don't shrink gel shrinked my hair more than usual. So this is before applying heat and blow drying my curls, and this is after. Just look at the difference. I didn't do much. I just took one part of the hair and applied the heat. I'm not showing here because it's very easy to do. You can do it. I trust in you. It's not that hard. You just take one part, you blow dry it with not necessarily high heat, but not necessarily low heat. It's moderate. And you just keep on pressing it until it doesn't go back. And I did that with all the hair in my head, and I was using coconut oil to bring the shining back. I say a lot of bad things about anti-Jackie, but one thing that I love the most about this gel is that it doesn't come out. You know how when we use specific type of gels, there is some whitening stuffs coming out after you use it. So with anti-Jackie, this didn't necessarily happen. I noticed it 1 and 2 3 strands of my hair with whiteness, but even after I blow dry it, like this is the second day with that with anti-Jackie on my hair, so it was already dried. So when I start blow drying the hair, I was expecting to see some whitenings, those things that looks like dandruff, but I did not see it. And that's why I love this gel so much. Although it shrinked my hair badly, it did not come out with the whitening. I think you guys know what I'm talking about, but I just can't express myself. And yeah, I used blow dryer to redefine my hair and put the shape that I wanted for my hair because I was just tired. I spent a whole month, maybe a month and a week, I don't know when I did that hairstyle, without touching my hair, without necessarily doing anything. So I just wanted to do something different but don't necessarily complicate it. And for this semester, whole semester, this was the first time I was wearing my natural hair out on the afro but with the defined curls, and I just wanted to look natural, and it's necessarily 100% natural. That's what I wanted, and it worked. I got a lot of compliments. I felt so much confident and I liked it. I know my hair is naturally supposed to be shrinking, but there are times that it just shrinks so bad. And as a believer, I don't want to spend too much time in the mirror taking care of my hair. I want to embrace natural hairstyles that are effortless, that doesn't necessarily take a long 5 hours in the mirror every day, because at that point I'll be idolizing my hair. I just want to learn how to love when it looks messy, because messy is beautiful. I want to learn how to embrace the shrinkage in a beautiful way, not in the messy way. And I also want to keep growing my hair, avoiding as much heat as possible, avoiding as much manipulation in my hair, avoiding as much breakage as possible, and being confident, because this is how God created me. And trust me, this journey is not fun at all. I cried, I prayed, I asked God to give me grace, to give me patience, and to teach me how to love my hair, because I wasn't taught to love my hair. The environment around us taught us to embrace what does not grow on our head, because we rather spend 5 hours learning how to glue a wig, learning how to put the most beautiful curly or wavy hair on the wig, instead of spending those 5 or 4 hours taking care of our natural hair. Don't I look cute, girl? Look at this. Even when it's still messy, it still looks natural, and natural is say it, like that.